This feels so good on my face. Hello, welcome to another What I Eat video. I just finished a workout. It is the morning, approximately 11 a.m. And I'm gonna show you how I meal prep some really quick oats to eat when I have no time to make something for breakfast. And that's what this is for. Let's do it. Breakfast today, I'm actually gonna be preparing a few days worth of breakfasts by making a kind of a pre-put together jar of quick oats. And I'm kind of like making them, I don't know, fancy, I guess. Basically, just so I'm not eating a bowl of plain quick oats. I'm gonna mix a bunch of stuff into it just because, I don't know, nobody likes eating just plain oats. And it also makes it just easy for when I wanna have a quick grab and go breakfast, and also for Brad too, that I can have like a pre-made and flavored breakfast jar. You know, kind of like what you would just buy as a convenience item in a grocery store, but making it myself. Just gonna add some chia seeds. I don't know how much this is, but I'm just gonna dump the rest of these sunflower seeds that I have. Unsweetened shredded coconut. A little bit of cinnamon. And just a pinch of Himalayan salt. Give her a good shake. Okay, that's like literally how easy it is. Don't have to buy that pre-packaged stuff at the grocery store when you can just make it yourself with whatever you have. That's about a serving for me. And a little extra for Brad. Okay, I'm adding like a tablespoon-ish of powdered peanut butter to mine. I'll be adding sunflower seed butter to Brad's. And yes, I am like literally directly adding a dollop of wet, well, not wet, but sticky nut butter right into the oats. But when I pour in the hot water, it'll just dissolve and melt it. So now I'm just gonna pour hot water. I don't really measure, to be honest. I just kind of wing it. That, not gonna lie, maybe was a little bit too much, but we'll see. Oh shoot, that was a lot of water. I might have to like add more oats to this. Okay, it's definitely not supposed to be that soupy. I guess I'm having a bigger bowl of oats today than I thought. Oops. Okay, yeah, like this is more along the texture of like what it should be. And then what I do is I just cover it with a plate so it traps the steam. I know, very advanced system I have going on. So it just occurred to me that it would be a really good idea next time to add like a scoop of protein powder into this so that you get even more protein and it's more filling. Yeah, why didn't I do that? Ugh, oh well. Next time. Okay, these have been, I guess you could say, cooking for the last 5 minutes. Yeah, that is nice. That is the perfect oatmeal-y texture that I like. So I'm just gonna top it with some fresh pears and some blueberries and some hemp hearts. Extra protein, make this a higher protein breakfast. Done. Can't forget my little splash of oat milk. Now obviously like today this took me longer to make because I was filming it, but if I wasn't filming it, this would have been like a 5-minute breakfast, start to finish. Simple, delicious, healthy meal. So it is about 2:30 and kind of late, but I am making lunch now. I had a bit of a busy morning. I had physio. Now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make a really quick, like kind of like a ramen or a noodle bowl. Got some leftover veggies in my fridge that are desperately in need of getting used up. So just gonna chop these up, get the noodles cooking, and really quickly stir fry up my veg. And I'll have a noodle bowl in only like 15 minutes. I want to make this oil free, so I'm just going to warm up about a 1/4 cup of water instead of oil to saute my veggies in. A great hack if you are trying to lower your calorie density. Just going to pop in a couple of veggie bouillon cubes. So for these veggies and tofu, I'm just going super simple on the seasoning. So we're doing soy sauce, garlic powder, and Korean red pepper flakes, or gochugaru. I know it seems like super simple, but I'm telling you, it's flavorful, it's salty, spicy, savory. It's like so easy. You don't have to really follow any kind of recipe when you're doing this. You can just quickly stir fry up whatever vegetables you have in your fridge, throw in whatever seasonings you have, a little soy sauce, and you're pretty much good to go. Yummy! Lunch is served.
Tastes like campfire.
It totally does taste like campfire. It tastes like if the ocean were on fire. Right?
Yeah.
It's like oceany and seaweedy, but smoky. Ocean fire. Would it be a noodle bowl if you weren't slurping? Greetings. The hour has grown late. It's about 6:30 p.m. and I'm only now getting just a little bit hungry. So we're gonna make some dinner. We're doing the leftover veggies and tofu that I cooked up for lunch today. Plus I have some leftover roasted potatoes from last night's dinner. So we're gonna do that, but to make it a little bit more filling and a little higher in protein, cooking up some soy curls. Chicken of the plant world. Delicious. They're like little meaty, chickeny strips that are like little delicious flavor sponges. Please forgive the horrible lighting situation in my kitchen. I just didn't have it in me to set up my lights. That's about half a bag. Soy curls are the frickin' bomb. All you gotta do to prepare them is rehydrate them in boiling water. Cover them with like a lot of water, more than you think. They do absorb a lot of the hot water. And then what I'm gonna do is just grab a plate just to kind of lock the heat in. Again, a very, very advanced system I have here. Let them soak for 10 minutes and we'll come back. Carefully strain them into a colander. And just take a spoon or something, or like a wooden spatula, and just press out as much of the water as you can. Because I'm so creative and original, I'm gonna season my soy curls the same way I cooked my veggies earlier. Just gonna add a little bit of tamari, some more red pepper flakes, gochugaru, and some more garlic powder. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, so it just occurred to me that I had this big, massive bunch of romaine lettuce in my fridge, so I thought I would just do like lettuce wraps. So everything I've made today, like the veggies and the tofu, the soy curls, plus my leftover potatoes, I can wrap them all up in little lettuce cups. Genius.
Seattle just dominating.
Lettuce wraps, definitely a good choice. Sometimes we just try to see who's weirder. It's usually me. Well, it has been a very long day. I have something to eat for dessert because a day is just not complete without dessert. So I made these little brownies last night. I'm not gonna lie, they aren't actually the best. They're a little on the dry side, but they do the trick. They get the job done when you're craving something kind of chocolatey and sweet, and you're trying to follow a whole foods plant-based diet, and you're not eating sugar this month. Don't worry, I promise I'm not miserable. These actually aren't really like satisfying. They're just a little dry. 4 ingredients: bananas, cocoa powder, protein powder, and nut butter. I don't know, I'm gonna keep trying, experimenting, see how they turn out next time. Maybe see how I can make them less dry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope you found it enjoyable. It's realistic. It's not necessarily glamorous, but it's real, it's delicious, it's easy, it's healthy, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe below. I've got lots more videos just like this on the channel, and I have new ones hitting the channel all the time. So I would appreciate if you subscribed, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!